Today I am going to explain how to prepare foods in the family wherein chronic kidney disease patients and liver cirrhosis patients are there. Now the biggest challenge is many times, as per the advice of the doctors, they prepare separately food for these patients. So at that point of time, the taste of food is not good. So my principle is all the spices, all the vegetables, all the leafy vegetables are very important to the human body, even if they are in this condition, that is a kidney failure condition or liver cirrhosis condition. But the point is here, after putting all the ingredients like leafy vegetables, potato, tomato, spices and dry vegetables like potato, garlic, ginger and also green chilies, coriander, etc. and also pulses. Once you boil it, the released water from all these things should be removed, and that can be used as a soup or whatever the way which wants for other family members, not for the patients. And the most important thing is the tempering for the good aroma, or we call it in Hindi tadka, in Kannada Waggarne. So that has to be done with half a teaspoon or 1 teaspoon ghee or butter or cold pressed edible oil. Thereby, everybody will going to enjoy in half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon. That is within 5 gram in each dishes. So that point of time, patient will not get more intake of oils. But the most important thing is the quantum, whatever the patient is required, whether it is a vegetable preparation or leafy vegetable preparations or sambar or pulses, that is a dal, what we call in Hindi. So that much of quantity taken out, and thereafter families has to be added the salt, and now the patient has to use 1 gram pocketed salt for breakfast and 1 gram for lunch and 1 gram is for the dinner and 1 gram for snacks. And also the patient should inculcate that to reduce carbohydrates like rice and wheat, he has to take 25% of the holistic food. If at all idli is there, instead of taking 3 idli, let him take 1 idli. more than 100 to 100 people, 50 people are coming, and 4 to 5 doctors have to be continuously give prescriptions and other details to the patients. Such a way patients are coming to meet me globally. So that's why whatever the diet principles which I am advocating, one should follow religiously. So then only the supplements which I have defined for my father, so that will work for the chronic kidney patients. Similarly for other patients also. Thank you.